As you begin your photography journey, you buy cameras that you buy cameras with kit lens. And here are some of the reasons why you need to buy a new camera lens apart from your kit lens. Let's say upgrading from the kit lens to other camera lenses. Kit lenses are usually the lenses that are bought by the camera. These kit lenses are usually provided in the entry-level cameras, while professional cameras can be bought without them. Kit lenses are usually provided by manufacturers for beginners on their journey to start photography. But this is what you get when you purchase other lenses. Let's say 50mm 1.8, 85mm 1.8, 28 to 70 f2.8. One of the advantages you get is that the image quality from these lenses is better than the kit lens images. You get better autofocus system. Increased aperture means that you have better low light performance. For example, f2.8, f2.0, f1.8, f1.4 and f1.2. These lenses incorporate image stabilization that your kit lacks. Tell me down below, what are some of the advantages you saw after you upgraded from your kit lens to other camera lenses?